Alright, let's take a look at how to add a module to the sidebar here. Say you want some content to show up on a specific page. Let's take, for example, the Northeast Regional Office here. If I want something to show up above our regional offices map there, I'm going to need to create a HTML module, content module, and assign it to this page specifically. So let's jump into the back end, and you'll go to your module manager and create a new module. We're going to want to create a custom HTML module. You are almost always just going to be interested in the custom HTML module. There's a lot of other ones there, but they won't help you. Title. For a HTML module, I would recommend using the title for sorting purposes. Real quick, jump to the previous page. You can see that it can be a little tricky to read through these, and as you get more pages, it's going to be more difficult. I've been trying to name them homepage if they're related to the homepage, menu if they're related to menu, whatnot. In our new module that we're creating, go ahead and do something like article. This is going to be a module assigned to an article, and it's going to be the Northeast Regional VP page we're looking at. You can hide that title. It shouldn't show up on the page. It's really only useful to you. Position, you do need the position. It will be position 6. The right hand side of the screen is going to put it right in that blue menu bar. Published. Status needs to be published. Access needs to be public. Then we can assign our content. I'm just going to drop an image in there. Where is my image button? Here it is. So pull that up, pull a picture off our browser, or off our server, go into Photo Gallery where most of the pictures are, and we'll put Eric on that page. I'm going to resize it 300 pixels wide. Okay, there he is. Now, we've created the module and created the content. We need to assign it to part of the site, and this has changed a little bit. There are two ways to assign modules now. Previously, you were only able to assign it to a menu item, which this will look fairly familiar. All of these items, all of these checkboxes are pages in the site menu. And this works most of the time. You know, just about every page you can get to on the site, you get to through the menu. However, if we take a look back here, some pages don't have a menu item. For instance, in order to see the Northeast page, you go through either this map or through the National Regional Vice Presidents by map page, and click through here. But there's no button on the menu for the Northeast Regional VP page. If you tried to make a menu item for every page, it wouldn't work. So you just get too many menu items, and it would make it harder for users. This will occasionally become an issue. When it is, you can ignore the menu items and assign an article now to assign your module to a specific article. So what we're going to do is select, and we know that we want a regional office page, so I'm going to filter by that, and then I just pick North Central. I don't want North Central, I want Northeast. And you can pick as many pages as you want, and it will continue assigning to them. So at the moment this will show up on both the North Central and Northeastern that's fine. It's just demonstration purposes anyway. So I'm going to save this. I'm not going to close it yet. And now when we come over here and reload our page, we ought to see Eric come up. There he is. You can use the same approach to assign assign a module to any page that has your little blue sidebar here, and it can be images, it can be text. Basically, you can create whole new little blocks and just toss them in wherever you want. One last thing I'll point out is the ordering there. For instance, if you get a few of these, you know, it may be more relevant to see one above the other. You'll be able to do that by changing the ordering here. So let's see. The map that we're seeing is the homepage and regional VP, homepage and VP pages, regional offices. If I want this module to be last on the list, quite simply I just click number 9. When you save, it will change the order. Now this is number 9. When we go back to this page and reload it, we should see Eric's picture show up underneath the map. There you go. And that's pretty much all there is. Basically, module assignment. If you want to assign your module to a menu, select the menu option there. If you want, in the less frequent case where you want to assign it to a page that doesn't show up under your menu items, select it directly from the article selector.